In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an account in XM Broker. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to xm.com, click on Get Started up top right. And in here, you can select your language, your country of residence, your email, and then your password you want to have. And then if you have a partner code, enter it in here and click on Register. Now, after this, you will receive, of course, your dashboard, which looks like this. And then to actually open an account to get going and start trading, click on up top over here. And then you can select between real or demo. Click on the plus icon, select which account you want to open, so real or demo. Then you're going to have to select your MetaTrader type, press continue, and then you can go ahead and select your account type, either the low standard or XM0. Click on continue after you select this. You can then set your leverage, the currency, the investment amount, and then you can, of course, give your account a name, press continue again, set your trading account password, which is going to be used to basically sign into the MetaTrader platforms, and after that, press complete, and your account will be opened. So that's how easy that is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.